How to use Best Buy store credit. Let's get started. First go to the Google and search for Best Buy. In search results, open the link that says www.bestbuy.com. Then select the country. After selecting the country, go to the product section and select any product that you want to buy. Add that product to your cart. As you can see, I have added one product to my cart. After going through it, click on the checkout option. You will be redirected to this page. Enter your email address and password, or you can continue as guest. I am continuing as guest. You can log in to your account. Then add your shipping address details, your name, address, city, state and zip code. Then you will have an option if you want to use your points or not. And that's all. That's how you can get your order. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.